Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve the Windows installer error code message 2755. The installer has encountered an unexpected error installing this package. This may indicate a problem with the package. The error code is 2755. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just to go ahead and actually re-download the installation setup package and then attempt to run it again with administrative privileges and see if that resolves the problem. That's certainly a very realistic possibility there. Something else you may want to try as well if you're still having a problem, if you go to the installer file and you right click on it and you select properties, you want to go ahead and select the general tab if it's not already, and then go down and select advanced. So go ahead and select advanced. And if it says either compress contents to save disk space or encrypt contents to secure data, make sure both of those options are unchecked. So if either one of them is checkmarked, you want to go ahead and uncheck them and select OK. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.